What's going on, everyone? Today we got a 2018 GMC Sierra, and I'm going to show you how to change out your cabin air filter. Okay, so the cabin filter is going to be located behind this glove box door, and what we're going to do is we're going to need to remove the door. You're going to need a Torx T15 to remove this screw here, and there's two more under here that we're going to have to remove. Okay, there's one here, there's one on this side right here. Okay, so we're going to take those out. Again, that's a Torx T15, and it's the little star. Now once you have those bolts taken out, we're gonna go ahead and just take it, just pull on it, and we can just pull out the whole glove box assembly just like that. Okay, so the cabin filter is located in this compartment here, and we need to remove this door. There's gonna be a clip up top here and one on here, on this side here. Now all we gotta do is get back behind the clip and it will release the door. Okay, see how that goes? It's the same on this side here. My hand's gonna kind of cover it up because it's way back there, but you're just gonna pull it. As soon as you unclip it, you can pull it down like this and just pull it right off. Okay, whew. This one's gonna be really dirty. Looks like it hasn't been changed in a long time, and it's full of leaves. Whew. This thing is a little dirty, a little grody. Grab some of the leaves if they're hanging out. You don't want them going down in the blower motor. And now if we look at this one, it has an airflow arrow on it. Okay, I don't know if we can see that on camera or not. It's kind of hard to see, but it says airflow down. So our new filter, it has a arrow on it too. This is airflow. We're gonna have that one going down also. If you need a filter, check in the description box. I'll have a part number and a link for you there, where you can pick up a new filter if you need one. But we just put the new one in just like that with these foam facing us and going towards the back there. That's going to give it a good seal. So then we can get the door, and we're going to clip the bottom in first and snap it up. Now this can be a little hard because there's going to be like a wiring harness here that's in your way, and this big guy here is in your way. I'm going to try to pull it out of my way so I can work around it, but not the easiest thing to do when you're only working with one hand here. They're both kind of giving me a hard time. Okay, there we go. And all we gotta do is just snap it on, just like that. A little snap. Good to go. Get the glove box and push it back up in here and put the screws back in, and you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful. If it was, I really appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe. Drop me a comment. See you guys in the next video.